get man her. Hey, we gonna all take this whole everything.
Camera.
I see. Come over this way because they in your picture background.
Tell me when y'all ready. Ready? Yeah. 1. You got another key.
Or at a pumpkin patch with my hairstylist, Miss Allie, in the building. She got me right, y'all. Yes, honey, she got me right. That.
Hello. Come here,
I bite.
Wait a minute. Oh, them girls in the way. So we are waiting to go on the hayride. The hayride. We say hi, Miss Allie. They're hot. Thank God.
Yeah.
Like it's so nice and comfortable. I have on a 2-piece I got from Forever 21 like 2 years ago. I got this here flannel. I think I got it from Forever 21. It was on clearance for like $2 or $3. Oh yeah, we just waiting to get on the hayride. We did take some pictures. This is so cute. I don't have no small kids, but it's cute. I was off today. Yes, on a Saturday. Ooh. They got homemade pumpkin ice. I'll see you when we get on the hayride.
It's just an ant. Thank you.
County ride, where you ride up on the horse for $5.
Oh, okay.
All right, y'all have fun.
All right, thank you.
I already read the sign. Jemima, push you up the thing.
The big pumpkins, here we come. We got a pumpkin. What's the pumpkin name? Jerry. What's your pumpkin name, Ali? What's your pumpkin name? Now we're gonna try some, what is it, fried apple pie?
Yeah.
We're gonna try some fried apple pie. And what's our pumpkin name?
Jerry.
Marshall.
Why Marshall? I like Jerry. Why do you think to be named after a pumpkin?
Alright, we name him, his name is gonna be Jerry. My twin, that's my twin.
That's 2 sets of twins.
2 sets of twins, and I'm the youngest.
You like that?
Oh yeah, you want to go put it in the car? Jemiah, we're gonna put the pumpkin in the car because we parked right there. You want to try apple cider? Hi, what you want to get Jemiah?
The fried apple pie.
A fried apple pie.
Yeah, a couple have said that to us, but it's like, I know. Here's one apple pie. Did you want that? Okay, so that's fine. 15.70. Go. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, here for the party. I'll get it to you another way.
Okay, this is just $3.50.
Okay. Then can I get a hot dog?
And then do you have cash for over there, or do you want me to tell you very much for that?
Here.
Oh, yeah, I have cash.
But to pay for this? Yeah, I'm gonna pay for that. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
And is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get you that. I got
we
the
get our
pumpkin.
food out here.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Because she wouldn't have took my money no other way. So. They got their dolls. Show your dolls. Oh. Oh.
Where's our brush? Thank you, Mama.
You welcome. Is it good?
Live in Sandy Springs.
Oh, okay.
Y'all live in this area?
Yeah. How long you been here?
4 years.
Oh, okay. From Savannah?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Do makeup because I don't feel comfortable, but yeah.
What's your name?
Tamika,
I'm
yours?
Deasia.
Deasia?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, so you work at Lennox.
Yeah.
I've been there for a few months. I like it so far. It can be a little overwhelming dealing with clients,
Are y'all
you know.
really busy?
Yes.
I've never been to the Avalon.
So the young lady was trying to share her YouTube, but apparently I had it on slow motion. So I'm sorry you wasn't able to get her information, but I hope you still enjoyed this here vlog. Hey y'all, I'm at work. I'm on my lunch break, and y'all, they having a car show, so I wanted to vlog the car show so y'all can see what's going on. So once I finish eating, I'm gonna show you around. I'm gonna show y'all all the cars. I'm gonna add this vlog, this portion of a vlog to a vlog I already edit because I had met someone at the pumpkin patch and she was sharing her YouTube channel, but I was recording in slow motion and didn't even know it, so I wasn't able to get her information. So I'll try and leave it across the screen for you all. So if you do see that slow motion part, don't mind. That was my fault because I don't know. I guess I hit the button twice. When I'm done eating, I'm gonna show y'all around. Wig still going strong, y'all. So I'll be back once I'm done eating. If this fly don't leave me alone. the end of the car show. I think I have a little more to show you, but yo, they got some nice cars. Like,